Hello, I am the HVAC Repair Guy. Today I am comparing two brands of ductless mini-split air conditioners, Airtemp and Arcoaire. To keep this comparison fair, I have selected one model from each brand, both from the Ultimate category. We are going to look at the specific data points to see how they perform side by side. First, let's look at the Airtemp Ultimate Series, model KSK4DH. This unit has a SEER rating of 26. It features a variable speed condenser fan and a variable speed compressor. The indoor noise level is 22 decibels and the outdoor noise level is 53 decibels. It is a heat pump system for one zone and includes voice control, but it does not have an occupancy sensor or a ceiling unit. This model features auto cleaning, a coated coil, and air filters. The warranty covers the unit for 10 years and the compressor for 10 years, and it includes a 1-year unit replacement warranty. It is sold through dealers, requires a dealer for installation, and is manufactured in China. I want to stop here for a second and ask you a question. Which of these two brands would you trust more to keep your home comfortable? Please let me know your thoughts and respond in the comments section below. I want to hear your feedback on which brand you prefer. Now let's move on to the Arcoaire Deluxe Series, model D5CPRA. This model has a SEER rating of 33.1. Like the Airtemp, it has a variable speed condenser fan and a variable speed compressor. The noise levels are slightly higher, with the indoor unit at 29 decibels and the outdoor unit at 57 decibels. It is a one-zone heat pump that includes voice control, an occupancy sensor, and a ceiling unit. It also features auto cleaning, a coated coil, and air filters. The warranty provides 10 years for the unit and 10 years for the compressor, but it stands out with a 10-year unit replacement warranty. It is available through dealers, requires a dealer for installation, and is manufactured in China. Comparing the two, the Arcoaire model has a significantly higher SEER rating of 33.1 compared to Airtemp's 26. Arcoaire also offers a much longer unit replacement warranty of 10 years versus Airtemp's 1 year. However, the Airtemp unit is quieter, running at 22 decibels indoors compared to 29 decibels for the Arcoaire. For my final pick, I am choosing the Arcoaire Deluxe Series D5CPRA. The higher energy efficiency and the 10-year unit replacement warranty make it the better choice between these two Ultimate category models. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.